What's going on, world? All right, just coming to you real quick to tell you about a new program. You need to have a Cash App account to participate. It'll cost you a one-time $6 payment, and you will be eligible to receive thousands of dollars in return. I put together a website to go over the information. It's going to give you all the instructions to properly sign up and how to make your payments. I just want to show you how fast the program is working. I just started today. I have not referred anybody yet. You see here, I had a nickel in the Cash App account. I put $5.95 in there, gave me $6. I paid my $2 to three people on the list from my back office. So there's one, two, and three. That was my $6. So that got me in the system. Now you're supposed to refer a minimum of two people directly, but the system is moving so fast that my upline is moving so fast that I'm starting to show up in her downline's upline because two people already sent me $2 each. I don't have a clue who they are, but I know how to go in my back office and mark their payments confirmed so that they can now move on as well. So I put together a website. The domain is www.gotcashapp.com. I'm going to put it in the description somewhere on this video. Go to their website, learn about the program, and just for taking the time out of your day to learn about this program and watch the videos, I have three gifts on that website waiting for you. Okay, one of them is some free money. So just go to the website, and if you got the Cash App, let's make some money.